In fact, Congress has now shot down these allegations. That's the big breaking news coming in at the moment. Dinesh Gundu Rao says there is no infighting. Congress basically says that the allegations of infighting are incorrect, that the Chief Minister's decision is going to be final. This is, of course, Karnataka Mantri Dinesh Gundu Rao who's spoken out. Listen in.
ನೋಡಿ, ಯಾವ ಜಟಾಪಟಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಕೆಲವರು ಏನೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ದೊಡ್ಡ ವಿಷಯ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂತಿಮವಾಗಿ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರದೇ ಪಾತ್ರ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ಒಂದು ಮಂತ್ರಿಮಂಡಲ ರಚನೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಯವರ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ. ಯಾರು ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಫೋಲಿಯೋ ಯಾರಿಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕೆಲವರು ಏನೋ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯಗಳು ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಆದರೆ ಇದು ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕ ವಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಆಗುವಂತ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದೇನೇ ಇದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಆಂತರಿಕ ವಿಷಯ. ಸಿಎಂ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ದೆಹಲಿಯ ವರಿಷ್ಠರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ತಕರಾರಿಲ್ಲ.
Imran is joining us live on the broadcast. Imran, a massive war of words has now escalated between the BJP and the Congress after D.K. Suresh says, why 3? There should be perhaps 5 deputy chief ministers. Help us decode, first of all, his statements and obviously take us through the politics which is happening around this claim.
Well, behind this whole chorus about 3 deputy chief ministers or 5 deputy chief ministers, or as Priyanka Kharge suggests, let everybody in the cabinet become deputy chief ministers, is a power tussle happening between Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and D.K. Shivakumar. That's the whole crux of it, and their supporters are giving statements based on who their allegiance is for. And that's the entire issue is happening, over which the BJP is now saying that the development of the state is suffering because of the infighting happening between the CM and Deputy CM. D.K. Shivakumar is, everyone knows that he's aspirant for the chief minister, and he's a deputy chief minister who's been given very important portfolios, including Bangalore Development Authority and other water resources. Many feel that his clout in the party and in the government is increasing much more. In order to cut him down is his power. There's supporters of Siddaramaiah are giving statements that not just one deputy chief minister, there should be additional deputy chief ministers who will belong to the Lingayat, SC, ST and minority factions. Similarly, we're seeing statements from K.N. Rajanna, Zamir Ahmed and others who are followers of Siddaramaiah saying that there should be more deputy chief ministers. This is what some in the party feel is that it to cut D.K. Shivakumar's power and ensure that he does not grow as much as what he's been projected to be. Now, whether the High Command will take the decision or not, we have to wait and see. But as of right now, the party source informed that there is no such plan to increase or go for any more deputy chief ministers. But this is entirely cloud being created by supporters of Siddaramaiah to basically target D.K. Shivakumar.
Right, that's the allegation coming in from the side of the BJP as well. And Congress, of course, at the moment saying all's well, there is no infighting. Congress leaders denying the claim, obviously going by these statements. It looks like a completely different story. Imran, thank you for joining us with all these details. Viewers, will be shifting our focus now to another big story.